Text alerts in 60 seconds. Link will be either in the description, in the comments, or in my bio. If you have small businesses or a big family, listen up. GlobalTextAlerts.com. For basics, you will probably only use 2 features: messages or subscribers. Under messages, you can send a message. Choose to send it now or send it later. Send it to some people or all the people. Typey in the box. Preview, send it to the people, or post it to your Facebook. Under subscribers, you can enter people or take people off or change the group they're in. It has tons of other features, but those are the 2 basic features you're going to need to know. I'm happy to answer questions on it. Just drop them in the comments. People can sign up either by giving you their information, texting your keyword to a predetermined number, or using your sign-up link. Absolutely one of the most cost-effective marketing tools to keep in touch with all of your customers. They do offer a free trial, so you can go on and test it out, but they have relatively cheap monthly plans based on the usage that you're going to have. You can also pay yearly. My link gives a discount. So go.